Assalamualaikum. Today I will explain Lab Seek. In Lab Seek, we extend the previous lab by adding an option menu and contact menu to an Android application. The option menu is used for global action, while the contact menu appears when the user long press a list view item. First, we create a new folder named menu under the rest directory. Inside this folder, we create an XML file named options menu. This is the coding inside the options menu. Each item represents one option in the menu: add persons and report bugs. And then adding menu icon. An icon is downloaded and converted into a vector drawable using Android Studio vector asset tools. Here, the icon. And then display option menu in main activity. Here is the main activity. Here is the on create option menu. This method is called automatically by Android. Menu inflator here loads the menu XML. The menu is displayed on the action bar. Next, this one. This method listens for user clicks on the option menu and report bug is selected. A dialog is shown here. Next, we display alert dialog here. Alert dialog builder is used to build a dialog box. The dialog asks user confirmation here. The confirmations, yes or no button are added. Yes or no button are added. Each button display a toast message. Next, we creating a context menu XML. Here, this menu appear when the user long press a contact menu. It affect only the selected list view item. Next, register list view for context menu. We put super register for context menu. This tell Android that the list view support context menu. Without this line, long press will not work. And then we put a display contact menu here. Method is triggered when the user long press a list view item. The context menu XML is inflated. A hidden title is shown for clarity. And then this is for handle context menu selection. This method handle which context menu item is selected. And then this one, retrieve the position of the selected context used to access correct data from the adapter. And then here, check if the user selected details, and then create an intent to open a new activity. And this start activity intent passes contact data to the next activity. It will open contact details activity. And after that, it will display data in contact details activity. Here, retrieve data straight as the coding. Here the coding, it retrieve data sent for the main activity. And then display contact details on the screen. Next, for the post lab is to add delete option for the contact menu. This is the coding. Here, this line creates an alert dialog builder object. It used to build and configure the dialog box. This refers to current activity context. And this set the title of the dialog to inform the user that the action is related to deleting a contact. And then this message asks the user to confirm whether they want to proceed with the delete action. And if the user click button yes, the toast message is displayed. Contact deleted. It indicates that the contact has been deleted. And if the user click no, the toast message will display deleted cancel. The toast message is shown to inform the user. And then this line, create the dialog and display it on the screen. In this post lab, the delete option display a confirmation dialog with yes and no buttons. So let's see is demonstrate how to use option menu and context menu in Android. The option menu handle global actions, while the context menu handle action for selected list view item. And then data is passes between activity using intents, and user interaction in the handle using dialog and menu. So I will run the application. So as we can see here, the menu appear at the action bar at context, and this one for report box and about. And if we click report box and we click yes, next if we long press at the Christopher, and then it will pop out this one. Select the action details call SMS and delete. So for example, we click details, we pop up like this, and for example I click delete, it will delete contact. Are you sure want to delete this contact? Click yes, and it will appear contact deleted. That's all for lab 6. Thank you.